Welcome to the Ocean County Library Online. Your library card opens a digital universe and lets you find exactly what you want to read, hear, or view, and reserve it by placing a hold. Here's how. Using any internet service provider, visit 𝐔𝐩𝐽𝐿ibrary.org. The library website features 8 drop-down menus, each packed with links to resources, databases, services, events, and programs. The Books and More tab contains the link to the library catalog. Listed on the left are links to the library's ebook and audiobook files, recommended reading for all ages, new and upcoming titles, the library concierge service, frequently asked questions, and instructions for requesting material and for renewing titles by phone. The third menu from the left contains a link to log into your account. Ready to log in? Enter your 14-digit membership number from the back of your library card in the first bar. Below that, enter your personal password. If you've forgotten your password, click the link above the login button, enter your card number, and receive a replacement in your email. Once you've logged in, you can reset it. You can examine your account, review borrowed items and saved searches, request items, and check for fines and late fees. You will find an opening menu very similar to that found in the general catalog, except it is tailored specifically to your account. The 8 search links let you refine your search by keywords, phrases, and exact terms, conduct advanced and Boolean searches, and connect you to the library's bilingual online resources for education, genealogy and history, business, legal and career help, science, health, and more. The Help menu contains explanations and instructions for using the library's search tools. Entering the New Titles portal brings you to all the most recent catalog editions, showing cover art and containing links to their listings. Clicking a title lets you see the summary information and how many copies are in circulation. You can direct an item to be delivered to any of the library's 21 branches. When it arrives, you'll be informed in your chosen contact method: call, text, or email. Want to know more? Visit or email any branch, use the library's chat text service through any device with an internet connection, or speak to a librarian by phone. The information is all available at 𝐔𝐩𝐽𝐿ibrary.org.